Okay, I'm going to show you all a very pretty sight. The last time I pulled an S4 motor apart, it was very ugly. Very ugly. I'm going to start slowly here. Now, here comes the good part. Look at how beautiful those pistons are. They look gorgeous. The bores look gorgeous. I mean, beautiful. No carbon. No ridge. Gorgeous. Absolutely stunningly gorgeous. Wow. Wow. I like seeing this. And a used head gasket's gonna go on eBay, and Scott True will go ahead and buy that for his Evel Knievel mobile. Look at that. Yeah, that's gorgeous. See, that's what I like seeing. I like seeing good, clean engines. Very nice. Complete contrast to my S4 motor from a year and a half ago. So I'll save the other head for tomorrow, because the girl that works with me, Lily, she wants to see how we do this, how to pull that off, pull the head off. So that's what we'll do mañana on Saturday. Okay, peace, cheers.